Area 18 Interchange in Lilongwe stands as one of the most significant road infrastructure developments in the capital city. Built along the busy M1 road, the interchange replaced the former Area 18 roundabout, which for many years served as a key junction linking the city centre, Old Town, Kanengo, and surrounding residential areas. The Area 18 interchange was developed to improve traffic movement along one of the city's busiest corridors, ensuring that vehicles can travel more smoothly through this important section of the capital. The interchange was designed using a Cloverleaf system, a modern road design that allows vehicles to change direction smoothly through curved loop ramps without stopping at traffic lights. From above, the interchange reveals 4 large circular loops that form the distinctive Cloverleaf pattern. These loops allow motorists to join or leave the main road while maintaining continuous movement. Instead of stopping at intersections, vehicles go through carefully designed curves that guide traffic smoothly from one direction to another. At the center of the interchange is a central flyover bridge which carries traffic across the junction without interruption. This elevated section allows vehicles traveling along the main highway to continue moving freely, while other vehicles use the loop ramps below to merge, exit, or change direction safely. The main carriageway consists of 4 lanes, forming a dual carriageway that increases the road's capacity to handle growing traffic volumes. Slip roads and merging lanes allow vehicles to safely enter and exit the highway, while the elevated bridge section helps separate different traffic movements. This separation of traffic flows is a key feature of the interchange. By reducing the number of crossing points between vehicles, the design improves both efficiency and safety for motorists traveling through this busy part of the city. Infrastructure of this scale is built with the future in mind. Engineers estimate that the Area 18 interchange can serve the city for up to 100 years, provided it receives proper maintenance and care. Today, the Area 18 interchange stands not only as a major transport junction, but also as a symbol of Lilongwe's continuing growth and modernization. As the city expands and the demand for mobility increases, this landmark piece of infrastructure continues to play a vital role in keeping Malawi's capital moving forward.